What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you guys for tuning in. I know, guys, it's been a minute. It's been a while since the last time I posted a video, especially like back here at the barn in the house here. I apologize for that, guys. Give me one real quick second to explain that a little bit. YouTube, ever since we hit 1,000 subscribers, they have to accept us into the partner program or whatever they call it. And they took forever to do it. It says it should only take a week. Next thing you know, is like a month later, they finally accepted us. So anyway, we are back on track. Hopefully we're going to get back on schedule with everything. We're just going to be, on a weekend. Every weekend I hope to upload a video, whether it be an install, something that we've seen from work, which the last two videos of the 6.7s, guys, go check those out. Those are pretty cool videos. Kind of learn a little bit with those. But we haven't just been doing that. We have been working on the trucks. I promise you guys that. We have been getting some stuff done. So I'm going to kind of do this video is going to be kind of just a huge update video on everything that we've been doing, what you guys have missed over the last month. And some of the stuff I'm not going to really tell you guys about because I have recorded it as an install video. So I am going to wait and we're going to upload that video later on. But for now, we're going to start with some of the updates. We're going to start with the 6.0 and we're just going to work our way this way. 12 valve and then race truck at the end. So stay tuned, guys. This video is going to be kind of, we're just going to be talking a lot in this video. Some of you guys aren't going to like that, but it is what it is. Some of you guys are going to really enjoy this video. So this is going to be just, like I said, an update video. If you want to watch it, that's up to you guys. Doesn't matter to me. If you're trying to keep on track with the channel, then this would be an awesome video to watch. So let's start with the 6.0. We got some really cool parts on that thing now, so check it out. So guys, probably the biggest thing on the Crew Cab 6.0 out there, we actually had to put a transmission in it. So when I first bought the truck, the transmission was acting goofy and stuff. One of the sensors was unplugged, so I was really hoping we could save it. But third gear was just absolutely destroyed. I think it was slipping so bad that it had pretty much destroyed the transmission. And I'm happy that we went in there because there were some bolts that were missing, some bolts that were loose. The transmission actually looked like it was, backed up off of the back of the engine. So some really screwed up stuff from when whoever owned this before swapped the transmission into it. So we did spend quite a bit of money, and we got another transmission. It's like a mild build. It's got a shift kit in it, a billet torque converter, and all new clutch packs and everything like that. So it came with a warranty and stuff. So I'm really, really happy that I ended up doing that. It did cost a little bit of money, but it was worth it in the end to me. I've been driving the truck pretty regularly and no hiccups or anything like that. Other thing you guys notice, we did install worn lockouts up front. Those look absolutely killer. I love the way they look up there. He had some weird off-brand junk up front there, so we went with the worn lockouts, so I'm really stoked about that. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the little LLD symbol up front in the Ford emblem. As you guys see, the race truck's got it. And the black crew cab, I actually sent those with my dad to work, and he fixed those up. So those are pretty cool. I'm happy with where that truck is at. We are going to get the bed painted, and then the truck will be for sale. So if any of you guys are interested or have any questions or whatever like that, just leave a comment down below. I can get a hold of you or whatever, and we can talk about the truck if you guys are interested. I think I'm going to post it around $8,000, which I think is pretty cheap for anything that's studded 6.0. I mean, for the most part, you're only see them at like 10 grand at the least. So I think $8,000 is pretty reasonable, especially with the transmission and the injectors and all that other stuff. So if any of you guys are interested, you guys know all about the truck. So let's talk about the 12 valve now. This is my daily driver. As you guys know, we actually did a lot of work over the past month on the 12 valve. First thing you guys probably noticed, the rear end is a lot more low. We ended up taking the 4-inch blocks out of the back. We eliminated those completely. That changed the way the whole truck rode. I mean, it is real smooth now. Especially for a 4x4 truck. So I'm super stoked that I was able to do that. And then the other thing, probably the biggest thing that we spent, as far as time goes, that we spent on the 12 valve was the front end. Everything up front is new. We did hubs, U-joints, ball joints, and then all the steering stuff up front, all of it. Brand new stuff. Everything was Moog, from the ball joints to the knuckles, to the hubs and everything like that. Everything was Moog. And then as far as the steering components up front, your drag link and your tie rod, we actually upgraded that to a heavy-duty style, and we got rid of the Y style and went to the T style. I'm going to explain that for a minute. I think it's an awesome upgrade for any of you guys that have, I think, a 94 to 02 second-gen truck. This is an awesome steering upgrade. After I did all this stuff, it really tightened up the steering, but I think you can contribute that to switching the style of steering. So let's go out. I'm going to kind of explain that to you guys, what exactly it is, what you have versus what the upgrade is. So this bar here is your tie rod, and then this bar here that's coming from your pitman arm right there goes down over to this part there. So on your factory steering, this bar, your tie rod, goes from this knuckle, and then it meets your drag link about midway right here. And then from there, your drag link goes from your pitman arm up there and goes to the knuckle down there. That's called Y-style steering. It's kind of like this. And it's really prone to death wobble right at this section, right where your tie rod meets here. So it's really prone to death wobble. It's garbage steering. And so in 98 and 99, Dodge Chrysler actually offered a heavy-duty upgrade. And what that heavy-duty upgrade is what you see right here. So this bar, obviously first of all, these bars are much thicker. But now your tie rod goes from one knuckle clear across to the other knuckle. So this piece is solid. There is no chance for death wobble happening right here. And then your steering linkage meets your tie rod right about there. So this is a much more efficient steering setup. It is really tightened up the steering in this thing. I mean, we still have to do a gearbox for sure. For sure gonna do a gearbox. But this is a awesome upgrade. Like I said, 98 to 99 HD steering upgrade. It is freaking awesome. If you guys want part numbers or whatever, just leave a comment down below and I will drop those down. So everything on that truck, put us a little over the $1,000 mark. So for the past month, we have just been throwing money at our other two trucks. And honestly, guys, we haven't really had time or money to be throwing at the race truck. We did a little bit here with the custom emblems up front there, which I think is really cool. But our engine over here hasn't been really doing all that much. We haven't really changed anything. I think we started routing some fuel lines and stuff. But other than that, we haven't really gotten anything too crazy on the race truck. Now, the biggest thing is once that's gone, once we sell that, if it's for $7 grand that we're able to sell it, or $8 grand or whatever, that's going to free up a lot of money. So once we do that, that's going to be able to fund, hopefully a turbo setup and maybe some injectors and stuff. But we are going to be putting the engine in soon. We are going to get it in the barn here, but we do have some insulation up. So we just got a lot of smaller things to do before we can actually make headway on the race truck. But I promise you guys, it's going to get done. We are going to finish up the race truck. It's just a matter of time and money. And now that we're part of the partner program, I can use YouTube to help fund the whole thing. So super excited, super stoked, guys. We do have parts sitting in my room for the race engine too. So I still have some parts. I'm just kind of waiting to install them. Like I said, we started to route our fuel line, so you can see this one on the back of the head kind of going through there. And then we got our regulator hooked up, our front fuel lines, kind of routing those maybe the way I'm going to route them. Not really too sure yet, but you guys get the right idea. Look how beautiful this thing is. This thing's going to look so good. So good. So make sure you guys leave a comment down below tell me what you guys think about these little LLD things on these. So we did black with the chrome billet behind it, and then on that one we did the opposite. So I think I like this version a lot better than I did that version on the black truck. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Also, my other question for you guys, somebody said something about putting a 6.7 style bumper on the race truck, and I don't know. At first I was like, no, that's junk, we're not going to do that. But then I got to thinking, I started looking up some photos and stuff of people that have done it, and it really doesn't bug me too much. It really doesn't look too bad. So guys, let me know down in the comments, do you think we should try a 6.7 bumper, do an install video, you know, and see if we like it? If not, we can still have the old one that we can just slap back on. Maybe we'll check it out. So make sure you guys leave a comment down below. Let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in seeing. So real quick, guys, I just want to talk about the future of the channel. You know, where is this headed? You know, we just took like a month off, so where are we headed with YouTube? So basically, like I said, once the black truck is gone, that's going to free up a lot of money. We are gonna get back on the weekend schedule. I am going to start to incorporate maybe a little bit more out of work. Some of the stuff that I'm seeing over there. Like I said, I have like 2 or 3 videos over the course of the last month that I just need to upload. They're cool little install videos. And also, guys, next weekend I have plans to hopefully go pick up another truck. We're gonna add another truck to the fleet. Yes. So it's gonna be the new tow truck. Hopefully, it is a ZF6. I know a lot of you guys were excited about my old ZF6, and I had a lot of questions about it. Well, it's going to be a similar build to that one, except it's going to be it's going to be our tow pick, and I'm super excited about it. I've already talked to the guy. I found it on Craigslist and stuff, so hopefully next weekend we're going to be going and picking that truck up, and then that will be introduced into the channel, and we're going to be holding on to that truck. You know, we're not going to be selling it. I'm super stoked. It's going to be a build on its own, and like I said, once that black truck's gone, guys, we're gonna go nuts. Okay, that engine over there is gonna be sick. So super excited, guys. I hope you guys are too. Like I said, this video was just a huge update video. So thank you guys that watched it. I really appreciate your guys' time and interest in this channel and this video. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you guys hit that like button. As always, if you guys are new, subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of new stuff coming to you guys, a lot of new action and stuff. So stay tuned, subscribe, like this video, share it, leave a comment down below. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.